then in the middle here, the material comes through here and then enters this part. This part, right now I have it set to automatic, so I'll turn it off first. Here, moving left and right is for feeding in the material, and these 4 buttons for left and right are for adjusting the level. To the left, moving left and right is for feeding in the material. Okay, you can adjust the speed here. Alright, I understand. Not sure if it started running. I know, once you press it, it starts up, especially when feeding in the material. Okay, got it. Forward and reverse rotation. Switch it to manual forward rotation. It might not be very obvious, but it is actually moving. Reverse rotation. Now switch to automatic. Okay, now it's on automatic. I'll get closer so you can see it more clearly. The speed here can be adjusted. You can adjust it, you can slow it down. I'll set it to a slower speed. I'm going to set the speed very slow. So now the speed is set very slow. As for this part in the front, I've already fitted the screws that lock it in place. That is, these 2 holes, this hole and this hole, are locked here. This part is locked here. Right now, for easier transport and to prevent damage, it's been removed. When it's time to pack, I'll put this part together with everything else. This is the sensor for detecting the material. It's a photoelectric sensor with a transmitter and receiver. When the material comes through here up to this point and is detected by the sensor, you see the red light. That means it's detected. Right? Once it's detected, the machine will slow down. When it gets further down, it will stop. There are 2 sensors. One sensor stops the machine and the other, when there's too much material, will slow down the speed. So there are 2 sensors here, 2 sets, and then this one. This is the mist delivery system, which is connected to the reception area for customers. If there's a minor issue with the equipment, usually an alarm will go off over there. That means the material has been pulled over here and hit this limit switch. When that happens, an alarm will usually go off and the machine will stop running on our side as well. It won't move anymore, so we can check and repair it. This is the mist delivery system. This line is directly connected to the mist system or the emergency stop switch on the punch press side. So this line comes over from here, and at that time, it connects to the reception area for the punch press, and then this. The discharge port is also fixed here. There are 2 screws here and a row of screw holes that correspond to them. This part is fixed here and there's a slot here. This is the discharge port that's attached here. We've removed it now to make packing and shipping easier and to prevent damage. When the customer receives it on site, they just need to install this part and all the screws are already provided. Yeah. That's basically it.